Hey everyone, welcome back to LOLs. Look what we have today. Mega Bloks Paw Patrol. Look, we're going to build Rubble in his vehicle. We have cement mixer, the vehicle, and the scoop. Looks like it all moves around. We're going to put it together and find out exactly what it does. This is going to be so fun. Oh, but before we get started, we have to say welcome to our new subscribers. We have Emma, Liam, Sophia, Noah, Charlotte, Jack, and Oliver. So welcome everyone. Thanks for following along and thanks for subscribing. Hey, and if you want a shout out and your name mentioned at the beginning of a video, don't forget to like and subscribe as well. It'll be fun. You can watch all these videos and get this put together. Ready? Here we go. Whoa, look at all these pieces. Let's get them out of the plastic and start putting them together. Hey look, it's Rubble. Hi Rubble. Hold on, we're gonna get you unpackaged. Here you go. Nice. Ruff, ruff. Oh look, your legs move. You could jump real high, I bet. And your head moves? Cool, and what's this uniform you have on? I like it. I bet something goes up there too. On your back? We'll find out. Let's see, okay, all the plastic's off. Step one, this is our base, but it needs some wheels. Here are wheels. Let's click them into place. One set of wheels. And two sets of wheels. Great. Alright. Look. Let's see what's next. Next we need the front of our vehicle. It's right here. And it goes just like this. Ta-da! And then right behind that, we need this yellow block. Oh yeah, we're off to a good start. Next we need this big, nope, not this big yellow piece. This big yellow piece back here. And that's gonna go right around the square block and press into place. Good. Can you see it coming together? Look, it's gonna look like this back here pretty soon. Okay, and then we just need this gray block on this side. Press down. And we need another gray block on our right side. Let's find it. Here it is. Thanks for the help. It's starting to take shape. Let's see what's next. Next we need a yellow piece that goes across like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 across. I only see one yellow piece, and look, 1, 2, 3, 4 across. That'll go right here. And now we need a flat yellow rectangle that goes across here and covers up this area like this. Look, there it is. Goes right on here. And then on top of that, we need a flat orange piece. Look, can you see it back here? It's gonna be like our headlights. Maybe not headlights, but I don't know what we call them, what it is exactly. But look. Whoa, this is looking cool. Now it's time to connect our scoop in front. Let's get our scoop. Here it is. And I think it fits in just like this. Oh yeah. Look, here's our cement bricks. Scoop those up. Oh, There we go. Awesome. Scoop is on. Now we need our cement mixer. Let's see. Oh, here's one piece of our cement mixer. That's the back, and then here's the front, and I think that just snaps. Does it screw on? Or just push it on. Oh, yep, it just snaps together like that. Cool. And then that goes in the back like so. We got it. Hey, I think our vehicle's complete. We need some cement to mix. Here's one block. We have another one right here. And let's see if we can drive it around and dump it out. Nice. Hey Rubble, you gotta get in and go for a ride. Almost forgot about you. Here you go. See, do you snap down? Yes. Ruff, ruff. Looking good. Have some of our blocks. Raise them up. Transport them, move them around. Put them in our cement mixer again. Back it up, and let's dump them out. There they go. Awesome. That was fun. Good job, Rubble. Good job, everyone. Thanks for building our vehicle with us. This was great. We'll have to do more of these in the future. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll give you a shout out. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for playing. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye, Rubble.